contrary to the Public Finance Management Regulation 2015.
Mimi si Uhuru Kenyatta, mimi naitwa William Ruto.
611 million could not be confirmed. The Auditor General also raised a red flag on fellow Kenyans. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. I want us to start right away. Remember to give the video a like. Yesterday, President William Ruto presided over an event to celebrate 1 year since the launch of the Ecitizen platform. William Ruto was very harsh on some 20 CEOs and government agencies which did not comply to the Ecitizen platform. William Ruto lectured them badly and they gave them an ultimatum of 1 week to comply or resign. Listen.
I have a list. I was sent a list this morning. Give me my phone. I was sent a list this morning of people who are still mangamangering. Yeah. And I want to put them on notice. The people who still are playing games with us. The CEOs of the following entities are put on notice. The National Cancer Institute of Kenya, Kenya Hospital Authority Trust Fund, Kenya Nutritionist and Dietitians Institute, Health Records and Information Managers Board, National Syndemic Disease Control Council, Occupational Therapy Council of Kenya, Digital Health Authority. You are a new entity, but you must comply. Kenya Biovax Institute Limited. I know the CEO. Please tell him I am putting him on notice. Kenya National Public Health Institute, Kenya Health Human Resource Authority, Kenya Water Institute, Tanathi Waterworks Development Agency, Water Sector Trust Fund, Kenya Engineering Technology Registration Board, Kenya Ports Authority, Independent Police Oversight Authority, Private Security Regulatory Authority, Nairobi International Financial Center, Kenya Reinsurance Corporation, Financial Reporting Center, Kenya Institute of Supplies Management, Consolidated Bank of Kenya, Development Bank of Kenya, Kenya Accountants and Secretaries National Examination Board, Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya, Institute of Certified Secretaries, Energy and Petroleum Regulation Authority, Kenya Power Company Limited, Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy, Geothermal Development Company, GDC, Kenya Petroleum Refineries Limited, National Defense University, the Kenya Space Agency, the Kenya Shipyard Limited. These entities have yet to comply with my directive that their services and payments and revenues must be on Ecitizen platform so that Treasury can follow on the revenues that are being collected by government. They have 1 week to comply. They have 1 week to comply. Otherwise, they know what to do. They can make use of the door. It's as simple as that.
That is President William Ruto lecturing CEOs and government agencies to join the Ecitizen or resign. I want to do today's video in a different way. There is a corruption scandal in the Ecitizen platform, which was highlighted by the Auditor General in last year's report. I want us to pass through the report, then we will later engage in the comments. I'll be able to read all the comments and reply accordingly. Auditor General Nancy Gathugu has flagged that Ecitizen Revenue Accountability Statement for the year ended June 30th, 2023, questioning the accuracy of revenue receipts amounting to 15.5 billion Kenyan shillings, which she says cannot be confirmed. According to the report, which was tabled before the National Assembly Finance and Planning Committee, revenue statements amounting to 600 million Kenyan shillings do not present fairly the financial position of the Ecitizen Revenue Accountability Statement and performance of the period under review. At the Registrar of Motor Vehicles, the variance between revenue statement and e-portal systems receipts amounts to 12 million Kenyan shillings. The variance between revenue statement and ledger balances was 35 million, while the variance between e-portal systems receipts and ledger balances amounted to 22 million Kenyan shillings. In flagging the inconsistencies in the Ecitizen Revenue Accountability, the Office of the Auditor General states in the report, in the circumstances of the incompleteness and accuracy of the receiver of the revenue receipts of 15.5 billion could not be confirmed. The office further highlights anomalies in the cash and cash equivalents balance in the Ecitizen Revenue Accountability platform, in which a statement of financial assets reflects a balance of 611 million Kenyan shillings in respect of the bank balances, including 436 million Kenyan shillings maintained in 6 accounts at local banks. The Office of the Auditor General noted that the cash books and bank reconciliation statements for the 6 bank accounts were not provided for audit. Management prepared a combined bank reconciliation statement for $3 accounts, contrary to the Public Finance Management Regulation 2015, which require accounting officers to ensure that bank account reconciliations are completed for each bank account held. The completeness and accuracy of the bank balance of 611 million could not be confirmed. The Auditor General also raised a red flag on unsupported prior year balance of 146 million relating to revenue received that had not been transferred to the respective collecting agencies. The report indicates that detail of bank accounts containing the prior year balances and seasons of the long delay in transferring the funds were not provided. It ends noted that the completeness and accuracy of the prior year balances of 146 million could not be confirmed. That is the Auditor General report. Maneno ndio hiyo. Tupatane kwa comments. Remember to subscribe, like and comment.